Yes, Kay, you had talked about the unemployment system for the state of North Carolina. How much did it cost to actually implement that program?
It was part of the overall GDAC fraud implementation, and that fraud implementation at an enterprise level was a $4 million implementation, but that covered tax, UI, and workers' comp.
So for $4 million, you got all of those systems?
We needed services each year to maintain and develop them, but yes.
Of course.
That was the licensing for it.
The reason I'm asking is we spent initially $150 million, got nothing. We've gone about $200 million since. Yes, there are a number of us who have been familiar with the way these systems work, and we know our workers have gotten raked over the coals. Okay, that's what I wanted from you. Mary, when you say your clients that are calling in, how many seconds again until they're actually talking with somebody?
On an average, 7 seconds.
And you've got 2 full screens of data up there already on everything related to their health care.
Yes.
We are so out of whack with our state systems, and you guys have just proven where we need to be. And I brought this up in Labor and Industry Committee. The most robust system we actually have in the Commonwealth is the PennDOT licensing. It's built on the old Lotus approach and domino system. Everything else in JNet, which is a joint network of law enforcement, can crash, and somehow the PennDOT licensing system is still up, and they can pull up the old driver's licenses from the 1980s. We've got the data. We need to be able to transfer it over into systems that, just for a couple $1 million instead of hundreds of millions of dollars. I thank you very much for this information. I hope other members watch this and see where we need to go, as well as some of the secretaries of our different departments, to get a real grip on where we need to be and what the real costs for implementing this type of IT, the reasonable costs are. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Representative.